Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to make a delicious oxtail stew in the instapot. The oxtail comes out very flavorful and tender, so I think you're going to love this. To start, I prepared my ingredients. I'll list everything below in the description as well. We have chopped onions, garlic, potatoes, carrots, mushrooms, our seasonings, stock, olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and of course our oxtail. To start, turn on your Instapot to the saute setting and then wait for the Instapot to say hot. After it's hot, place the oil at the bottom of the pot and then place your oxtails into the pot. Brown all sides of the oxtails. You'll want to get a really good sear on all sides, as this really adds to the flavor of the stew. No, you don't need to do this with the smaller pieces of oxtail. After they are brown, remove them from the Instapot. Place your onions and garlic in the pot next and then cook them for a couple minutes. As the onions cook out, they'll help release some of the brown bits at the bottom of the pot. Next, put your mushrooms in and saute those. The mushrooms also have a lot of water in them, and as you saute them, they'll also help you release some of the brown bits at the bottom. After they are cooked for a few minutes, put in some balsamic vinegar and stock into the Instapot. Reduce the liquid a bit further and let the flavors meld and concentrate. Use a wooden spoon to scrape off the brown bits at the bottom. Then you place your oxtails back in the Instapot. Place your Instapot lid on. Make sure everything's in place and the vent is set to seal. Then set your Instapot to cook at manual high pressure for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, let the pressure naturally release for about 20 minutes. Then use the quick release to release the rest of the steam. Remove the oxtails from the Instapot and then set them aside. They'll be very tender at this point. The next step is to put in the carrots and potatoes. Set on manual high pressure for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, do a full quick release. When the pressure has been released, open your Instapot up and then add the cornstarch that's been pre-mixed with a bit of water. This will help thicken the stew a bit. Mix together and give the cornstarch a couple minutes to thicken the stew. Note, I've left my Instapot on keep warm at this point. After mixing the cornstarch in, put the oxtails back in and then mix together gently. You can serve your oxtails over rice. I hope you have a chance to make this, as it really is delicious and hearty. Please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel with notifications on so that you can see our future videos. We'll see you next time.